Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If today's your first time of stopping by, my name is Hope and you are welcome to the channel. If you are a returning subscriber, you guys already know I love you. Okay, you're welcome back. So here I am starting a new vlog. I don't know what this vlog goes for us though. I don't really know, but I just feel like starting a new vlog. So we are headed somewhere. We are heading somewhere. I and my husband, we are going somewhere now. So if I can vlog there, I will vlog. If I can't, see you guys later.
We are out for shopping.
Say hi.
Hi.
When I don't cut my hair, come on, cut my hair.
Hi.
I used to have it. You used to have
No, she did not have it. Hi, girl. We are shopping.
So guys, this is the next day and a friend of mine decided to take us out. She promised to take us out during the New Year celebration, but she wasn't around. So we went to church this morning, went for rehearsals. Then after rehearsals, she just said, okay, let's just come to this place, sit down, have some drinks and snacks. That was just all. So enjoy the video. Guys, I'm just feeling myself. All these old school songs, like, guys, do you remember the song that I just played? I really enjoyed it. I'm really enjoying it. I tried to do a little bit of karaoke for you guys.
Show count and CC numbers. Let's see plenty man. It's a matter of time you get the control numbers. Girls them all of them I like it. Hey go. Even them mama them all of them I want it. Moto.
Aga, numbe, shout hallelujah. Shake you, one shake you, shake you. This is that. I go on party for Calabar. See my party. My party. I don't want shot.
As long as I'm not killing somebody. No. They go killing that room, man. I cannot walk here. It's not. Is it? It's you watching it. It's better stick.
I am really videoing.
You will use this thing.
No.
What do you call it? Because only this sauce you don't see.
You are asking the name of the place now, so I have to tell them the name of the place.
Yes, cheaper.
Huh?
Cheaper.
Okay, where?
No red.
Alright.
For junction. For junction.
Okay.
You are new.
Thank you.
Delta State. No need again.
So guys, we decided to come out this evening and we came to L'Oreal Hotel in Warri, Delta State, Udu Road to be precise. So guys, there's this shawarma that my husband always get for me and we decided to come to the place. The place is inside L'Oreal Hotel. They are called Shippers. You guys heard when one of the workers was calling the name. So they make different kinds of things, shawarma, burger, kebab, but I got myself burger that day and it was so good. So if you are around Warri, more for Axis, where Uduru to be precise, you can check them out. Yeah. Guys, just look at this goodness. This goodness, man. This thing doesn't only look good, it tastes so good. Like the cream, the cheese, everything. Guys, you can see I finished everything. I didn't remain anything. Like this thing was so delicious. It was very delicious. Like I said before, if you're around Warri, Udu Road, around Mofor, you can go there and get yours, and it's very affordable. Did I say that? I don't think I did. It's very affordable. Go get yours. Hi guys, good morning. Guys, this is my vlog. I can't explain. The last time I talked to you guys was about a week ago. I don't know what's wrong with me. I'm better now. I'm not sick again, but I don't know why these days I find it hard to just carry my camera and just vlog. Like I've been on this vlog for a long time, and I think I need to add more things to this vlog and just end it. Okay, so I will be traveling in 2 days time. Today is actually Saturday, so I'll be traveling in 2 days time. That is on Monday. I'm traveling alone. My husband is not coming with me, so I want to prepare food down before going so that he can have something to eat while I'm away. I won't have to bother that, oh, my husband hasn't eaten and all that. So I just want to make soup and stew. Damn, I'm not making them in bulk though, because the light system here this period is very bad, and it won't always be around to turn on the gen to cool them. So I'm not making bulk. I'm just making something little for him to eat for the few days I'm going to be away. So today I want to make white soup, which is also known as ofe salam. My husband has been talking about this soup for a long time. When he traveled to Dubai, he said this soup was his favorite then when he was in Dubai. So he has been talking about it even before we got married. And you know, when somebody keeps talking about something, meaning he likes it a lot. So as a good wife that I am, I want to try and please my husband, and I pray God help me. It's my first time making this soup. I've watched all the videos I need to watch on YouTube to learn how to cook this soup. So I've gotten everything I need, all the ingredients I need to make this soup. So I'm going to do a video on that, and I'm going to upload that video separately, but I'll just show you guys little clips while I'm cooking it. And I also want to make stew. So that's that, guys. I'm not going to disclose where I'm traveling to you guys yet. I just want you to guess. If you feel you know where I'm traveling to, drop a comment for me and just guess where you feel I'm going to. All right? Okay. So guys, that's all for now. Let me go and cook my ofe salad. Guys, pray for me. Let me go and cook my ofe salad, okay? Alright guys, please subscribe if you haven't. Give this video a big thumbs up, please, and leave a beautiful comment for me. If you don't know what to comment, I've already given you a hint of what to comment. Just comment where you feel I'm traveling to. Just comment it. Then in my next vlog, I'm going to disclose the exact place I'm going to. I haven't gone to the place before. It's actually my first time traveling there, but I'm not going to disclose it to you guys. So just guess, okay? Enough of my talking. Let me go and cook. All right. Okay, guys. I love you. Mwah. Hi guys, I know the last time I spoke to you guys I was in this same spot. Yeah, so I'm back again. I'm done cooking my insala soup, and guys, it went well. It went well and my husband enjoyed it. So I just decided to come back and end this vlog. It's quite late already, but I said I need to come back just to end this vlog. So this vlog will be ending right here. If you are yet to subscribe, please subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and please share the video, okay? And the rest of my video, please share. So like I told you guys, comment down below where you think I am traveling to. So in my next vlog, I'll be telling you guys where I'm traveling to, and I think that will be the vlog of me traveling to. So till next time, stay safe and always know that I love you. Bye.